guys are getting involved in somebody else's business, right?
We can get that one's trying to.
Points over here on the grade. As long as they push their heads in, I think the best spot's going to be on that far end. Go ahead and drop the ads in and just pull it up. But you may be able to do it.
North Brooklyn Road, Suite 400.
1246 Central.
She's a sound machine that she uses for client therapy, and apparently people in the building have an issue with it, so they cut a wire on it last night.
I'll get a DNA unit right there.
10:52, 2 minutes.
Alive, having injury, but we don't.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Come on, baby.
We're on Bill right here. Probably from over there.
Come on. Come on. You can do it, buddy. I get this one out. Hold on. You do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
If you, they might need help with their back end.
Come on, another one.
Come on, come on, good boy, good boy, come on. There you go. Oh my God. You're so good, you're fine.
Come on, hold up.
Look how good you are. Please go. Yay. Look at you guys.
They definitely won't pull you. Where do you want to go with them?
Where do you want them? In the truck?
Yeah, we'll put them in the truck.
Put them in the truck.
Definitely strong, that's for sure.
Yeah, let's wait.